Hey guys, it's Jade and here's Jessie. So we're gonna do what's inside the box challenge. I'm gonna pick out 5 items. She's gonna pick out 5 items. I'm gonna go first, okay? Okay, sit down. Okay, I'm gonna pick out 5 items. Okay, I'm gonna choose this. It's a little furry thing. So I'm gonna choose this. It's kind of like paper. This. This. And that's 5 items, I think. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 5. Okay, so. Right.
Here's the marker.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this one in there.
Open my eyes up.
Go ahead. Guys, I put this in there. Okay. Get your hands in there. Don't judge us, guys. We didn't have a box.
I had a bracelet with diamonds.
Yes, gosh, she got it right. She had her eyes closed. But 1 point for Justin.
I was right.
Okay. So your turn.
Alright.
No. Just. I gotta find my other items.
Wait.
Stop it.
I have eyes closed.
Okay. Go ahead. Go. Hurry.
Okay. I go ahead and just pick out 5.
Okay, guys. She's gonna pick out 5 items. And then it's gonna be my turn. I'm gonna close my eyes. And no, I'm not looking. Okay. I wonder what she's gonna put. I'm gonna close my eyes when she's coming. Hurry up, Jessie. Okay. I got him shut. Camera, you know I got him shut wherever you are.
Okay.
All right.
You can go.
Here. That's what I gave her, guys. So yeah, that's what I gave her.
Let's see if she gets it right.
My pencil sharpener.
She got it
My electric
right.
pencil sharpener.
She got it right, so she gets a point. So far, we're in a tie. Here.
I'm gonna combine two videos, guys, because I don't have that much space. So this video is only like 3 minutes, and I have like 12 more seconds on this video. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.